to another video. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make a fidget spinner, just like this one. It's easy to make, and yeah. So as you can see, you will need a hot glue gun, water with soap, a ball bearing. This is a ball bearing. I've just found it in a skateboard to get off a skateboard. 6 bottle caps, 2 pennies, toothpicks, spray paint, whatever color you want, but I just use this metallic aluminum color or silver, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, yeah, let's get into how you make the fidget spinner. Okay, first step, you're going to want to carefully glue all around the bottle cap so that it's close together, just like so. So do the same as I'm doing. Just glue them together. Just like that. Just like that. Now do this to all the bottle caps, and I'm gonna cut it when I'm done. Okay, and see you. Okay, after you glue all 3 of the bottle caps together, I mean all 6 of the bottle caps together, then you're gonna want to put the ball bearing in the water and kind of just let it soak inside the water. Oh yeah, because it spins a lot better if you clean out all the grease instead of the ball bearing. So yeah, I'll let it soak and just clean the bearing out. And yeah, I'll be back once it's done soaking. Okay, once you think the ball bearing has soaked enough time so that it spins very fluently and yeah, it doesn't get stuck, then you're gonna want to glue a big blotch right here. Then you're gonna take one of your bottle caps and stick that one right on to the ball bearing. You're gonna have to glue around it a bunch though, so that because it might fall off. Don't get frustrated if it falls off. Just glue it back on until it finally works. So yeah, you're gonna want to apply a lot of glue to the bearing, and yeah, then after you do that, you want to obviously put on all the other 3 on the bearing. So kind of make them together so that it would be even and it would show for 3. It would be even for 3. So don't put them like this unless you're gonna make a double fidget spinner. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a try. So you're going to want to put the second one about right here, then the third one about right here. So yeah, I'll see you when I glue all the rest of them on, because you know already how to glue them. So yeah, see you. Okay, so once you're done gluing all 3 of the things on, then you're gonna want to make sure it spins pretty good. Yeah, I don't really want to like spin it that much because the metal's still kind of hot from, yeah. So then you're going to want to put hot glue around the edge of this ball bearing. Make sure not to get any in the crack where it's going to spin, because the little, yeah, you can kind of see. You can't get any in there because then it won't spin as well. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on like that. It's kind of like a finger thing, so you can spin it, hold it with your finger easily. So you're just gonna wanna put the penny there. Then, this is kind of tricky, but you're gonna wanna take this. This is where the toothpicks come in handy. So you're gonna wanna snap off the points, and yeah, all the points, and once you do that, you're going to want to take part of the toothpick and you're going to want to hot glue the end of the toothpick and stick it inside, just like that. But it's not going to be that high once you trim it. So I don't think, yeah, you're just going to want to kind of experiment until it's the right height with the toothpick. So I'm just going to fill this whole thing with hot glue, then put the toothpick on, and that should be a good height. This one should work too. Right here, that should be a good height. And yeah. Just put them all around the edges of the thing. So then you can put the last one in. You can put as many as you want, just until you think it's supportive enough. Then you're gonna want to take your last penny and you're gonna want to glue it to the top. Yeah, sorry about the kind of bad camera angle, but I can't really hold up the camera while doing this, so sorry about that. And you're going to want to glue this penny on and kind of just glob the hot glue and wait for it to dry so that it's kind of a flat surface on top, so that you can put the penny on the flat surface. So just keep doing that until you kind of get a flat surface. Yeah, sorry about the shaky hands. I burnt myself, so my hands are kind of shaky. So that's why. Okay. So once you think it's good, just wait for the hot glue to dry, and you should almost be done. So it should look something like that from this angle. You should almost be done after this. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the glue to dry, and then I'll. Guys, once it's done drying, you're gonna want to take it outside. So you're gonna take your spray paint, and you're just gonna kind of spray. Yeah, it's kind of simple. So you're just gonna want to spray it the color that you want to spray. So yeah, I'm just spraying it silver. You can use any color, like I said in the beginning of the video. But you want to make sure you get every spot. But don't get inside the ball bearing. You don't want to get inside the ball bearing because it might not do that good with the system. You don't even have to spray it at all if you don't want. But anyway, yeah, you're going to want to wait for it to dry. Then you're going to want to flip it over and do the other side. So yeah, see you when it's dry. Guys, the other side of the fidget spinner dried, so I'm going to spray paint this side. So yeah, there we go. And that's about it. I'll come back and show you the finished product once this side has dried. So yeah, see you later. Yeah, my fidget spinner just finished drying, and yeah, that's how you make your own fidget spinner. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and you found it informative, and see you in my next video, and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!